My name is Minang Sarkar. Garden is a place where I have plants and oxygen
And fresh air.
and fresh air. I will show you a garden. Come with me. Hi friends, my name is the gardener. This is my garden.
I am
telling you poem. This is my garden.
I will
plant it with here. Here are the trees. I will plant it with there. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. Trees will sprout and grow up tall. Thank you. We should care plants. Water plants. Garden.